I'm gonna teach you quickly how to make an overshoot in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 27 of 365. Let's start by creating a shape. You can make this overshoot with any layer you want, with a solid layer, shape, text, whatever you want. Let's center this with Ctrl Home and Ctrl Home. I'm gonna rename this to ball and also change the color here. We are going to do a overshoot to the position. First, let's animate the position, make a keyframe here to position, go a little forward and let's move like here. Now let's put the overshoot. The overshoot is an expression. We have to put this in the position. You can find the expression in the link in the description. Go to the link of the description. You will end here. Select all of this and copy with Ctrl C. Go back to your project and here in the position, I'll click the stopwatch and paste the expression. Now you can see it have a little overshoot. I'm gonna quickly explain to you what are these two options. We have the frequency and the decay. So we can change these values. The frequency, if we increase it, something like 8 for example, you will see it will go back and forward more times. It's like more stiff, and if we decrease it like 1, it will only go 1 time. So let's see. I'm gonna leave it this in 3, and the decay is the time it takes to stop moving. So if we increase the decay, it will stop moving faster, it will take less time. And if we decrease this to something like 1, it will take more time to stop moving. I'm gonna leave this as default. And also we can make the overshoot more intense if we drag the keyframes more together. Now you will see the overshoot will have like more force. And if we drag this keyframe like farther away, you can barely see the overshoot. Is like more a subtle overshoot. Also to have in consideration, if you ease a keyframe like this, if we ease with F9, the expression will not longer work. So there you can see it's like have a little overshoot. Try to always work with the linear keyframe. Okay, I'm gonna add a glow to this ball. I'm gonna use my preset. You can download it in the description for free. And let's animate a little bit with this overshoot. Let me make this really fast in this point, like here. It will go to the other side. Now let's see when it stops moving. It comes back to the center. Let's see the animation. So there you can see the overshoot. I'm gonna add a little echo effect to be as a smear. Put this in the top. Let me change the values a little bit so it looks better, and also motion blur this layer. So here you have a little example of what you can do with this overshoot expression. You can download this project file in the description, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.